Welcome to this video. This is a short tutorial about Engram wallet for DERO blockchain. So the agenda here is going to show how to install the wallet, create your account, then register it, and the last step is one of the basic features is how to send coins from your wallet and see how it works and how to understand a simple transaction. So let's start and download the application on DERO.io. Click on the download section and choose the operating system. I choose to download Engram. It will lead me to the GitHub, and I download the zip file, which is automatically unzipped on my computer. I choose to put that application in the application folder located in my home folder, so I drag and drop it, and now it's time to start it. So security reasons will block the first start of the application, so we go to system settings, privacy and security, and then scroll down and click open anyway button. I will open anyway and then type my local account password, so Engram will start. Then let's go to the account creation. So click create new account and then select the language you prefer. Here English, give it an account name, whatever you prefer. Here is my wallet. Choose a strong password, protect the database, your account, and click on create. Show your seed phrase. So never share it, keep it in a safe place. Here we'll copy the recovery words in a simple text file, but it's not the best practice, so be careful with that and keep it safe wherever you prefer, but never share it. And I also copy the address because I will send, once the registration phase is over, a couple of DERO in order to make a transaction. So now once back, I'm going to log into my account, so select it, type your password you chose before, and sign in. The next step is the account registration. So it can take up to 2 hours. It depends on the CPU of your computer. And the first step is to broadcast and register your account address on the network. It's only a one-time process, and you won't never have to do it again. So when it's done, then we will send a couple of DEROs to show how a transaction is made. So once the registration was done, I sent a couple of DERO on this wallet. So I'm logging into it. So you can see once I've signed into the wallet that there are some tests, 0.05, and now we're going to make a transaction to send some DERO, someone. But first, let's check what happened with the transaction I received. So I go here and I can see that I received something, the amount, what is the sender address, which I can copy, the fees, and the block when the transaction was registered. So click send now, and I will choose the anonymity set 16, which is the ring size first. I can use an account name or a wallet name. Here is checkview, and I decide to send 0.03. I save it. I can see it is saved here, and to send it I have to put my wallet password and submit it to the network. Transaction will take approximately 10-12 seconds to be confirmed. Once the block is updated, my transfer is successful, and I can see my balance decreased by 0.03 and minus the fees of the network. And I can check in my history here what happened directly here. So now you know how to use the wallet Engram for basic features. Thank you for watching.